In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or simply brushing up on your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable as you navigate the platform. So, let's dive right in. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to the Xero website. Once you've logged in with your credentials, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is your starting point for all things accounting in Xero. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Reporting. This area of Xero is your go-to spot for a variety of insights and reports that help you keep track of your business's financial health. Once you're in the reporting section, you'll want to locate the search bar. It's conveniently positioned at the top of the page, making it easy to find what you're looking for without too much hassle. In the search bar, type in Journal Report. As you start typing, Xero will present you with options that match your entry, so you should see Journal Report pop up in the list. Click on it, and it will take you to the Journal Report section where you can view existing entries or create new ones. Now that you're in the correct section, look for the Add New Journal button. Clicking this will allow you to create a new journal entry. This is where you'll begin to input all the necessary details. On this page, you'll find fields for various pieces of information required to complete your journal. First, you'll want to enter the narration. This field is your opportunity to give a brief but clear description of what your journal entry pertains to. It's important to be detailed enough that anyone looking at it later will understand its purpose. After that, you'll need to input the date of the journal entry. Make sure you're entering the correct date to ensure your records are accurate and up to date. You'll also need to provide a description of the transaction. This description complements your narration, providing more context and detail. It's a good idea to be specific, especially if you're handling multiple similar transactions. Moving on, you'll see fields for account, tax rate, and other necessary details. Take your time to fill these out correctly, as they'll impact your financial reports and statements. Double-check your entries to ensure everything aligns with your business's financial activities. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, you'll have a couple of options for saving your work. If you're not ready to finalize the entry, you can click Save as Draft. This allows you to come back later to make adjustments or review your input before making it official. However, if everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, go ahead and click Post to finalize the entry and have it reflected in your records. And there you have it. You've just successfully created a journal entry in Xero. This straightforward process will help you keep an organized, transparent view of your financial transactions, making your accounting responsibilities that much easier. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need a refresher in the future.